Hello, so this is for my coworkers. Just wanted to show you how I make hole in the bread for breakfast. And yeah, here we go. Ready? Step number one, get some bread. You can either do white or wheat. I'm making this for my son, so I chose wheat. You butter both sides of the bread, and then I take a paring knife. So here's my fancy paring knife from Pampered Chef, and then you cut out a hole in the bread, and this is why I call it hole in the bread. Now I don't have my tripod, so hang on. So yeah, like that, you cut out a hole. Now you can get creative. You can do a triangle, you can do a octagon, you can do a, you can do lots of different shapes. You can even get a cookie cutter and do that. So it just depends on what you want to do. Sorry, the sun's coming through that light. And there you go. So now we put it on the grill. Now you want to make sure the grill is hot enough. Oh yeah, that looks pretty good. And then I hate things when they stick. So I've been using this Pam cooking spray with how do you say that word? Avocado oil. This is kind of an older pan when you get a new one. Oh yeah. Then I'm going to turn that down to about a 4 now that it's warmed up. Let the magic happen, and on the other pan here we have some nice Johnsonville sausage links going. Ooh, those look good. So just for fun, yeah, I'm filming on the LG V60 ThinQ, so you should be able to hear that sound. So we'll just let's turn those down a little bit. And we'll poke one just for fun. Oh yeah. Oops. This has come along nicely. So what I do is I have a little trick. I take, where'd my spatula go? I just have it. Ah, here we go. So I spray the tip of my spatula with some Pam so it doesn't stick to anything. Yeah, you don't need a lot, just a little spritz. Then just peek underneath the bread. Oh yeah. So now we flip this over. Nice and golden brown. And then I do just a dollop of butter in the center, and then the way my son likes it is he likes cheese in his. So we're going to do some Tillamook shredded cheese. See if I can do this with one hand. No, I can't. Hang on. And there we go. You just drop the egg in there, and then add some salt and pepper. And yes, I just washed my hands, because I broke the egg. Come on, are you kidding me? Of course I'm gonna wash my hands. So now, just a little bit of pepper. And yes, it does matter. You want to add the salt and pepper while it's cooking so it seasons in there. Oh, that looks good. Zoom in, and zoom out. So this is the widescreen view, 1x, 2x. Whoops, come on camera. Come on. Oh, I did not like that. There we go. Oh, that didn't work. But hey, we can zoom in on the sausages from here. And that's 10x zoom. Whoa! And 2x zoom. You know, the zoom on this camera sometimes is a little funky. And back to widescreen. We'll just stick with 1x. Oh, ooh, yeah. Those are about done. Now we'll peek underneath. Yep. So now when you flip this, Okay, so now this is when you go back to your plate, and now you grill the whole. So after you flip it, you grill the whole, and yeah. So I add about a tablespoon to 2 tablespoons of butter, and then there's the wheat bread. So this wheat bread is 80 calories, plus we have the egg, 70, so that's 150. Then we have the butter, that's another 200, that's just so that I know we're at 350, plus the cheese. So yeah, this is about a 400 calorie breakfast. So yeah, 400 calories, that's pretty good. And then my son usually has it with juice and fruit. So yeah, about a 600, 700 calorie breakfast for a teenager. Perfect. Now we'll go back to our little hole there. You don't want to burn the hole. That is the best part of the meal. Zoom in there. Sizzle, sizzle. Oh, let's not forget about the sausage. And we'll turn that down. Oh, that's perfect. All right, grab our plate. And then the nice thing is any leftover butter, because you had to butter both sides, that just goes right back on the meal. And then I like to just carefully place it right over the hole. Hey Paramount Kid, are you hungry? You want some breakfast? Buco nel Pane. You want some Buco nel Pane? Some hole in the bread? A piece of egg in a basket? I bambini. Okay, so we have sausage. Would you like some sausage with your hole in the bread? You know, I forgot about the calories with the sausage, so this is more like a 800 calorie breakfast, but you know what? We're under quarantine, so chi se ne frega. That's what the Italians would say. Chi se ne frega. And if you don't know what that means, well, you have to look it up. Chi se ne frega. Literally translates to, who does it rub? Nobody. And when you're a teenager, you really shouldn't be counting calories. That's just... All right. Look, and I have some sausage and some hole in the bread for you, bud. You ready? Come on down, bud. All right, so there you have it. There's my 600 calorie breakfast, give or take. And it's time to eat. How do you say time to eat in Italian?
I don't know.
You say, I forget. I can't remember. Tempo da mangiare? That's a literal translation. A tavola. That's right.
Hey Dad, why buy the LG Fix V60 Binky?
I don't know. Why should we buy this one? I'm returning it in 5 days, so it doesn't matter.
To T-Mobile.
To T-Mobile. How do you say hole in the bread in Italian?
Buco nel Pane.
Buco nel Pane. All right, say goodbye to the camera. Let's eat.
See ya.
See ya. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.